Hey everybody, welcome to Richard's Big Adventure, where every day is another adventure. We're going to do a little micro scrapping today. Join along, see where we got all this brass, and see where we got all this aluminum. And we even got a little piece of stainless steel actually. But join along, see where we got it. Thank you for watching. Alrighty. To start with, let me explain a little bit here. If I took this into the scrapyard like it is, it's got a piece of, looks like stainless steel right here. And it's attached to a piece of marble. If I took this into the scrapyard like this, they would probably give me dirty brass price, which is about 15 cents a pound. Now if I can clean it up, I can get yellow brass price, I think, for it, which is going to be about $1 a pound. So let's see what we can do here. Even that right there is heavy. The whole thing's heavy actually, but that'll be pretty good scrap there. I wonder. Let's see what I can do. There we go. I screwed right out of there. Worked out great. I wonder if I need to take this off. Or a nice brass. And a nice little piece of stainless too. This is going to be our brass bucket. I wouldn't be surprised if there weren't 5 pounds of brass in there. What do you think? See there? There's a lot of brass, especially shiny brass like that. What's that say? Brass Tech. I don't know. Anyway, we got her scrapped. Go see if I can find something else to micro scrap here. Okay, I've got a bunch of these. They what I understand, careful now. one screw right there, guys, that I didn't see. as I can tell. That's all aluminum there. Yeah. And that's a pretty chunky piece of aluminum. Now that I know how to get into it, it'd probably be worth getting that thing out. And there's another little piece of aluminum. I know that board ain't no good for nothing, but the aluminum probably is. Got that piece of aluminum, that piece of aluminum. Now this particular one, now they all might not be like this. But anyway. Hey everybody, just to give you a rundown, kind of wind this thing up. We got all this brass out of that one faucet, which is real good. I bet there's at least 5 pounds of brass there. At least 5. Can't believe I picked that up beside the road. Now it was missing this handle. If it hadn't been for that, I may have tried to solder it. Because obviously it'd be worth a whole lot more if I could have sold it on eBay than if I was to just sell it for scrap. But I'm sure now I'll sell it for scrap. Ain't got that part. You might as well not have any of it. But anyway, we got that. We got this little piece of stainless out of it. And we scrapped an LNB. That's the little plastic thing that's out on your satellite dish at home. And we got all this aluminum out of it. And I think these 2 pieces are actually brass. We got them too, which that's a good thing. We got this little board out of it, but I don't have any idea what we do with that board other than just throw it away. Anyway, that's what we got. Kind of enjoyed. I like tearing things up. I just enjoy it. I've been picking this stuff up now for 2 or 3 months. I'm finally starting to tear some of it up, but I kind of enjoy doing it. But anyway, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please continue to do so. If you don't mind, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. And thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up.